Welcome everyone back to my channel. My name's Tuesday, and I unbox fashion with you guys. Today I've got my StitchFix here. I'm really excited about. Yeah, let's jump into it. And here's kind of doing crazy things today. It just won't get under control, so sorry. Again, as you know, I like to keep it real around here. Okay. Before we jump into the bundle, let's find out what my stylist had to say this month. This is StitchFix number 53 for me, which is really exciting. She says, hello Tuesday, happy Fix Day. It's so great to see you back on your 53rd Fix today. I'm sorry I missed the mark on your previous Fix. So side note, I had another StitchFix. Felt like my chair was going to fall apart. I had another StitchFix that I don't think I filmed that didn't go over very well. Everything was way overpriced and not very, in my opinion, well crafted. I just didn't feel like much of it was really me. I'm not even sure I kept anything out of that Fix. I just pretty much packed it all up and sent it back. So she apologizes for that. Then Bethany says, today's Fix is a collection of pieces that will be great for work. The tribal Maura printed trouser is a great alternative to a typical black pant for spring and summer at a lower price point. Top these with the red Karl Lagerfeld Paris Sakeri Ruffle detail blouse. That was the longest name ever. And top with a cardigan or the Tahari Corban Scallop collar blazer. This piece is a bit pricey, but will be a staple in your wardrobe for years and years. Try this blazer layered over the Kaileigh Sienna Faux wrap dress as well. The 41 Hawthorne Danne mixed material blouse can be paired with a solid colored bottom for work or denim for dinner and drinks. I can't wait to hear what you think. Your personal stylist, Bethany. I will tell you, this clothing has some like really crazy names this month. Really long and complicated. But I'm looking at the outfit suggestions they have here, my outfit suggestion cards, which are these here. I'll show you one really quick. So each Stitch Fix comes with an outfit suggestion card that has the main item in the middle and then kind of two ways that you can style it. If you have the Stitch Fix app, those cards are also on the app, so you don't have to keep them. I like to because I keep them in my closet for quick reference, but you can always jump on your phone and find all the items that you've kept and the corresponding style cards that go with them. So anyways, let's jump in. All right, so I just broke the seal on this, and this first piece here is the Tahari Scallop collar blazer. I will tell you just on first glance, this looks amazing. It's got a really great heft to it. Like the material is substantial. It's got this beautiful kind of, what do I want to call this? Kind of mandarin almost collar, but it's scalloped if you can see that. Yeah, beautiful weight to this. It just feels really good. This feels like a quality piece, something that truly you would have for quite some time. I'm going to throw this on really quickly. Oh, look how cute the button is. Isn't that adorable? All right, so I got a fabric button. Just going to open this up really quick just to see what the neckline is like. All right, fabulous. Ooh, yeah, it feels good. It's lined really well. Unfortunately, it's very short in the length of the arm, and it is too small across my bust. I'll put this back on again when I'm standing so you guys can see head to toe, but right now I can tell you that this jacket is too small and will be going back, but it's very beautiful. All right, I'm just gonna jump out of that. Next thing that I have here is a dress, looks like, yes, and it is polka dot. And looks like it is probably a knee-length dress. You can see it's got a little slit in the front. This is a wrap dress, according to Bethany, who's my stylist. It's got some fun details at the waistline. You can kind of see right here is where it has a little closure here. You won't be able to see a lot of this dress until I try it on, but on first glance, it's very pretty. It's work appropriate, can totally be dressed up for a night out. This is a great piece if you were going to a wedding, so that's a good one there. All right, here's the Karl Lagerfeld top here with the ruffled front. This isn't really my cup of tea, to be quite honest. I'm not a big fan of ruffled front blouses, but I do like the color. I have nothing in my closet this color right now, mostly because, like you guys know, I wear mostly black, although I'm trying to kind of get away from black a little bit so that on my downtime I have more, you know, fun color clothes to wear. I get bored with black, if you can imagine. So it's nice to have a little pop of color in my wardrobe for my downtime. So I'm looking forward to trying this, even though I'm not sure that I'm gonna love the ruffle. Next is a skirt. Nope, these are pants. I lied. These are, everything is falling. I'm not set up in the best manner ever here. Let's see, these are the tribal print pants. That's a very interesting print, I will admit. I'm not sure how I feel about it. Also don't know how I feel about the length of these pants. I've been watching some Instagram stories lately from the people at Transcend, and particularly they had a woman on the other day who was showing off the trends in jeans, and she was 5'10", and a lot of the jeans were what they would consider to be cropped or whatever. And I'm looking at her and her height and where the pants hit her on her leg, and while she was, you know, talking about it like it was, this is the style, this is the trend, this is what they're supposed to look like, I felt like when I was looking at her, something just kept feeling off, like it was cutting her off at a weird spot. That is how I feel about a lot of cropped pants. I am only 5'7", however, I have 33-inch inseam, so I have really long legs, and a lot of pants just hit me at the wrong spot. And when that happens, I just feel like they just don't look good. And I don't care what you're calling them, cropped, ankle length, I don't know, whatever. I just feel like they're not, if they don't fall on me properly, that I just look funny. Like I'm wearing pants that are just not the right length. So we'll see how these go over. There's one more thing here. Sorry, it's fallen. Which looks like a top. Yes, it's a blouse. This is a 41 Hawthorne blouse. Ooh, I really love this. 41 Hawthorne is an in-house design label for StitchFix. They're calling this a mixed material blouse because it has a kind of like satiny feel fabric here, and then a slightly different kind of like polyester fabric on the backside. But I love these big florals. I have a dress that has a very similar feel, like print feel, that I got from Target, one of their designer collaborations some years back, which I absolutely adore. I have a feeling that this shirt is going to be also a piece that I will really enjoy. So that is the box thus far. I'm going to change into a few things, give you a little fashion show, let you guys get to the critique part of this. There are things falling at my lap, but anyway... let's do it. Okay, so here I've just combined a lot of the pieces that I don't know if they necessarily go together or not, but here we are. Okay, so this is the jacket. Now you can see it from top to bottom. It is really a nice jacket. I really love the material on this. I love the construction on it. However, it definitely leaves me feeling very restricted through here. I would definitely have to size up. I also wish that the sleeve length was just a little bit longer. You can see here how far it is above my wrist bone, and I don't feel that this is sized properly, but a very nice jacket for somebody who has a not so long of limbs, and if it was a touch larger, I would probably have even better things to say about it, but overall a really great jacket. This is the blouse, and I just did a quick tuck of it just because I thought it was appropriate for these high-waisted pants, and I actually like it a lot better than I thought I would. I think it is professional in a really great way. It's fun. I really like it, and yeah, this is a great shell piece. The color is great on my skin tone. It doesn't come too far under the armpit down here, so it's not going to be showing off my bra too much or anything, and I think it tucks nicely. This is a great basic. It goes really well with these high-waisted pants, which I own a few of. So let's talk about these pants really quickly. Like I said, they are high-waisted. Overall, the fit is good. I don't have any complaints about what they look like. I just don't particularly care for this pattern. They feel good. They have a lot of stretch in them. There is elastic stretch at the waist. As far as the length on these pants, let's see if I can kind of give you a little kick here so you can see maybe. Try this again. One more time. Nope, not quite. Anyways, point being that they fall at a place that I feel comfortable with. They are high enough to actually be cropped on my longer limbs. So I like these overall. If these were black, these would definitely be a summer staple for my wardrobe. But this print, I'm just not really that thrilled with. So I think I could pass on these and not feel bad. All right, so that is outfit number 1. I'm going to try on, actually, I'm just going to change tops really quick, and I'll be back. Okay, I actually decided to go ahead and try the dress next. So here it is, the polka dot wrap dress with the closure that's right here. This was the detail that I was showing you. Actually, right here, sorry. The detail I was showing you earlier where it opens and wraps. I don't have anything negative to say about this dress. It seems to be okay. It fits well. It's kind of like stretch knit, so it's form-fitting in a nice way. And now I'm looking at myself, I can tell that it like covers a little bit of tummy that I would like to hide, so I don't feel self-conscious in it. Yeah, I feel good about that. It does come right to the knee. Yeah. I don't really have any commentary about this dress. I'm sure once I play it back, I'll be able to take a closer look and kind of see how it falls on the silhouette, see if it is unforgiving, because sometimes this material is very unforgiving, and you can't really tell until you look back at pictures or video. Please tell me that I'm not the only person now who, when you go somewhere and you try something on in person, that you actually like take a picture of yourself on your phone to see what you actually look like, because I don't know about you, but I don't trust the mirrors in those fitting rooms. I just feel like they're always lying to me. My phone, on the other hand, is always my faithful and trusted companion. Anyway, so here's the dress. I'm gonna pop on that shirt now with my regular jeans, and yeah, I'll be back. Okay, you guys, this is a really beautiful top. Just period. Yeah, I just like it. It's just really lovely. Probably my only concern will be what shoes I would wear with it. I could completely dress this up a little bit by, kind of giving it a half tuck, not in these cropped jeans that I'm in right now, and probably just not even with jeans at all. Although I totally could. I could see this tucked into a skirt, like so, over a pair of, black pants. I've got several, or a pair of leggings, I guess. I just think this is just this is a dressed up t-shirt. So that's what I really love about it. I am a jeans and t-shirt girl at heart. This is a dressed up version of that. So like if I wanted to throw on my jeans, like my high-waisted jeans, I've got a great pair of kind of lighter wash high-waisted jeans that I got from Target some years ago. This shirt would be really great with those. Yeah, this is just a really beautiful t-shirt. It's a fancy t-shirt. Look at the depth that you get here. Even though this is just a flat one-dimensional print, look at the depth of that artwork. I don't know, I really love that. I don't know, I think this is a really gorgeous piece. So there's that. Okay, that's everything that's in my box. I think it's time for us to do a recap. Okay, I can see that I'm rapidly losing light here, so I'm like faking it with some lights in my office, but let's get on with this so that we can hopefully finish this before it gets too dark in my office. So let's see. Let's start with this polka dot dress. This is the Kaileigh Sienna Faux Wrap Knit Dress in black. It's a size medium. It is $48, and that's this polka dot one here. This one here. Okay. I thought this was a really lovely, great everyday dress. At $48, it's a really great price. This is the Tribal Maura printed straight trouser, and they're calling the color black, but it is a print. It's a brown and black print, and these were a size 6. They were $58. I just don't care for the print, so these will probably be going back in the box. There we go. Beautiful. Okay. Then we have the Karl Lagerfeld Paris ruffle detail blouse in red. It's this medium. It is $69. I know that's almost purely because of the label itself, which is fine. That's not a terrible price. This is a well-made blouse. I will give you that. This is a classic detail. You'll find ruffled blouses probably forever, and in different iterations. So I feel like this is a timeless piece. Although the color is very bright, we're coming right into spring and summer, and so it'll get plenty of wear. In Southern Arizona, where I am, it'll probably move well into the fall, right up through the holidays. Perfect party piece. And then I can, tuck it away for the few months that we have of winter. But this is a great piece, and I think it will wear well. Okay, then I have the, let's see, Tahari Corban Scallop collar blazer. It's black. It's a size 6. It's $128. Beautiful piece, worth $128 easily. If this fit me slightly better, I would have definitely said yes to this jacket. The other blazer that I have, which is not as well made, but that I love nevertheless, is a size 8. It's from Target. Obviously not as well constructed, but this is a great piece. $128. Yeah, I would have invested in that for sure. Okay. And then finally is the 41 Hawthorne Danne mixed material blouse that I am still in. This is a medium, and this is $58. I don't know that I want to pay $58 for this piece, but I do love it. It is very beautiful. I feel pretty in it. It's perfect for work. Working next to so much sparkle and pretty fabrics and whatever. In my day job, this definitely fits that vibe. But whether I want to pay $58 for it, yeah, that's up for debate. So that is my entire fix. Just on their own, the pieces all together total out to about $360. If I were to keep all 5 of them, you get a 25% discount, which would save me about $90, bringing my total down to $270 plus tax. Usually StitchFix has a $20 styling fee, which they would apply towards your order. However, I am a member of the Style Pass community, so I've paid in advance to have as many boxes as I can get my little hands on throughout the year, and they have waived that $20 styling fee, so I just pay for the pieces as I decide to keep them. Yeah, that's the whole box. I am waiting for your judgment and your critique and your feedback. Leave it in the comments below. I can't wait to hear what you guys think of this fix, what things you like, what things you don't, and what other things you think I should ask for. I know there's a lot of you out there who do Stitch Fix as well, and maybe there's pieces that you got that you're like, totally wasn't me, but that girl, she would love them. So if you like this video, I hope you'll give it a thumbs up. I hope that you'll consider subscribing so you can see more of this craziness. And between now and the next time I see you, please love each other and love yourself, because dang it, you're worth it. Until the next time we meet, that's it. Bye, loves.